lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to guide you through 4 anti-aging exercises to help brighten tired looking eyes. My name is Suki. I am an award-winning face yoga and beauty therapist. As we age, the orbicularis or oculi muscles around our eyes can become weaker. The tension we hold in our brows and our forehead can weigh down the eye muscles and make them appear heavier and more puffier. These exercises are simple, natural and gentle and takes only a few minutes. We start off with washing your hands and then applying a little bit of oil so that you're not dragging the skin or pulling around this area. So let's begin. For our first exercise, we're going to open our eyes wide and gently lifting our brows up. Let's begin.
Place your fingers lightly above your eyebrows. Now gently lift the brows upwards and open the eyes nice and wide as if you're surprised but without straining. This movement helps to activate and strengthen the muscles around the upper eye area, including the forehead and the brow muscles. It also helps to bring awareness to the muscles between the brows, including the precarious area, which is in the middle of between the two brows, where we often hold tension from frowning, concentrating, or stress.
For this next exercise, we're going to gently squint and then open our eyes. Let's begin.
Place your index finger under your brows and thumbs on your cheekbone. And now gently squint your eyes, almost as though you are looking into a soft sunlight. Don't squeeze too hard, only halfway. This should feel controlled and not tight. This exercise helps to activate the circular muscles around the eyes, called the orbicularis oculi. This muscle supports blinking, eye closure, and the tone around the eye area.
For our next exercise, we're going to apply a little bit of oil or serum underneath our eyes to help with the massage.
Place 2 fingers under your eyes and glide outwards towards your temples. This is all about the fascia and the lymphatic drainage. Fascia is made mostly of water and collagen. The gentle outward strokes unsticks any glued tissue layers and pumps fresh hydrating fluids back into this delicate area. The under eye area has no deep lymphatic vessels. It relies entirely on the superficial drainage. It drains away morning puffiness, brightens dark circles, and naturally plumps up lines. For a natural brow lift without the needles, pinch along your brows, along the brow bone, smoothing the skin. Pinching outwards unglues those tight tissue layers and releases the hidden tension that causes deep brow lines. This instantly floods the skin with oxygen, plumps the brow line, and naturally opens up your eyes. It softens the appearance of hooded eyes, making the eyes look wide and open and fresh again. You will also feel a sense of relaxation around the forehead and brows.
And that's your anti-aging routine complete. Over time, you will notice that your eyes are looking more brighter and more awake if you do this consistently. Thank you for joining me today. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments how your eyes feel after this routine. Bye bye!